Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. I'm going to make a nice easy salad today with 3 different fresh herbs. So what I'm using is parsley, mint and coriander or cilantro. And what I've got, and you can use anything you want really, and the amounts. I've got some lettuce there, some black eyed peas, carrot grated, onion, tomato, cucumber, bell peppers, some green onions and olives. We're going to get that all a little mix, and then we're going to make a simple dressing. Let's do it. Okay, mixing bowl could not be easier. Let's get in our lettuce first. You can use any type of lettuce that you want. Tomato, onion. I like quite a lot of onion in my one. Grated carrots, cucumber. I mean, these are kind of all roughly equal amounts, maybe like 2 or 3 cups each. Some black eyed peas, and again, I've got these from a can. If you're using from a can, give them a nice wash in some water, you know, nice cold water. And again, you could use chickpeas, butter beans, red beans, up to you. Some bell peppers, some green onions or spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. I've got some green olives here. Again, of course, you could be using a black olive you want. And then some fresh mint, some cilantro or coriander, again, whatever you call that. And then some flat leaf parsley. Amazing. We're going to give that a little mix, then we're going to make some dressing. Okay, so really simple dressing. Olive oil. And then lemon juice I'm using today. You could be using vinegar if you want, or something like that. And I've gone 2 to 1 in favour of the olive oil. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. Tiny amount of garlic, just chopped. Like 1 clove really. And then here I've got some mustard. I'm using a nice English mustard, which is a strong mustard. You could be using a cooler one if you want, or like a sort of Dijon. But yeah, the English mustard is really quite tasty. Very simply, gonna grab a fork, we're gonna give that a mix, we're gonna get that on our salad, and we're done. So easy. And like I say with the salad, add whatever you want, some celery or something like that. There's our simple dressing. Over that goes. One last mix and we are done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.